This is Eva from Septentrio. In this video, I'll show you how to configure a base-rover pair in such a way that the rover receives RTK corrections from the base station over an IP connection. In this example, I'll use a Polarix 5 as base station and an Asterix SB as rover. The first step is to configure the base station to send correction data over Ethernet. Open the web interface of the receiver. Make sure the receiver is in static mode. Go to Corrections and select Corrections Output. Click on New RTCM3 Output. RTCM3 is the most compact and robust correction format and is recommended to use when possible. Tick the box next to IP server and hit Next. Select New IP server connection and hit Next again. Then select the Ethernet port you wish to use, but make sure you avoid these numbers. In this case, I'll use 28000 and I'll select TCP from the Mode menu. Again, click Next. This brings up an overview of output messages. The messages for RTK and DGNSS are selected by default. Click Finish and don't forget to hit the OK button to apply the changes. The next step is to configure the rover to receive corrections from the base station. Make sure the rover receiver has RTK capabilities enabled. From the communication menu, select IP ports. In the IP Receive settings box, click on New IP Receive connection. Fill in the correct port number, in this case 28000, and again I'll select the TCP mode. Fill in the base station IP address as well. You can find this in the information bar at the top of the web interface of the base station. Hit OK and don't forget to hit the OK button on the IP ports page as well to apply the changes. To verify the configuration, check the overview page of both receivers. The data stream box should show an active connection. In addition, check that the corrections icon of the base station displays that corrections are being broadcast, and that the icon of the rover displays that corrections are being received. If the rover has RTK capabilities, you should see the position mode change to RTK fixed shortly after the first corrections have been received. If you have trouble setting up the connection, or if you'd like more information, visit our support page on septentrio.com. Thanks for watching.